Hey everybody, I'm Lizzy McAvoy and welcome to my cooking show, The Girl in the Apron. Today we have an incredibly talented and awesome special guest, Miss Caroline Cole.
Hi everybody, thank you so much for having me.
Oh my gosh, thanks for being here on The Girl in the Apron.
Anytime.
Okay, so Caroline is not only like one of my best friends, but she's also just like an incredible pop artist, singer, songwriter, fashionista, cat owner, and all-around food lover. Like,
Thank
just
you.
like we're like big foodies together. We eat a lot of food.
Yeah.
So I know this, but I don't think our Girl on the Apron viewers know this. So Miss Caroline here does not frequent the kitchen much.
I don't.
Making the food, obviously
No.
enjoying the food and being a participant of the food, but actually making the food. And we were hanging out the other night and we were talking about this and we were like, well, you need to come on the show because at The Girl on the Apron, right, it's all about quick and easy recipes. So how is it that my friend has not been on the show to make a quick and easy recipe yet? So we are going to get you in the kitchen making a
My
dish.
heart is actually kind of racing a little bit.
And
I don't want to.
so we thought it would be fun because Caroline has this awesome new single out called Strawberry Lip Smacker. You can get it wherever you love listening to music. It's out there in the world. It's so good. So we thought, let's make the classic strawberry dish, and that's gonna be strawberry shortcake. So as always with The Girl on the Apron, it's so quick, it's so easy, and Miss Caroline Cole here is gonna be making it. So stay tuned. Now you're gonna beat that for a minute.
Okay, let me do this.
On, and then increase the speed.
Hey, that's cool.
Off, okay? Don't press that button.
Don't press that button.
Put your beaters down into, like actually just spear
When
the
it's
butter.
off?
Spear it, yep, spear it. Okay, now click it on. Once you get the sugar combined with the butter, like
You
well,
can mix it up.
then you'll just start increasing the speed so you don't shoot sugar everywhere.
Oh, it smells so good.
Butter and sugar is like my
This
favorite
smells
thing.
so
If you can like bottle butter and sugar into a candle, see how it's starting to get a little bit lighter in color?
Yeah.
Okay, keep
Stop.
Nope, keep going. Go up one more.
All right then. Never mind.
Yeah, that looks pretty light and fluffy. I think that looks pretty good too.
Can I turn it
Okay,
off?
yep, turn it off.
Aww! Look at how cute.
Puppy.
This arm's gonna be so strong tomorrow.
And then go ahead and get like some long scoops on the bottom of the bowl. So, kitchen tip. You said overmixing is a bad thing. So you don't want to overmix. So what you do is you're going to alternate the flour and the milk in small increments. And that helps to not overmix your batter and it makes it like nice and light and fluffy. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit of flour. And then I'm going to go ahead and get that all incorporated. Then a little bit of milk.
Right? Because I mean, it's like,
Yeah.
you smell it and it smells good. I need to do that. Oh! Did y'all see that little nifty trick? Put it on the slow-mo. Do you want help?
Yes. You can do it.
Teamwork.
I don't know if this is like a technical thing, like I don't know what you call this, but this is
The
what
part
I
where you
call
need to,
cleaning the spatula.
cleaning the spatula.
Boom! Caroline, do you know about the toothpick test?
No.
Okay, so when you stick the toothpick into the cake, it's gonna come out clean when it's done. So let's see if ours does just that. So right in the center, toothpick test. I say
It's good.
it's done.
It's good.
Smells. How do you feel, Caroline? About your
I just want
first ever shortcake.
I'm gonna die, bread. I'm so excited to eat this, yay!
So Caroline's already eating her strawberry shortcake. How is it, Caroline?
It's so good.
Was it super, just nod. Was it super quick and easy to make? Okay, were you a little bit afraid because you were doing it all by yourself?
Absolutely, because you didn't tell me that.
Surprise.
I mean, yeah, it's a good thing you didn't tell me that.
But yeah, so Girl on the Apron strawberry shortcake recipe is a win.
It's a win!
It's a win. And guess what? You can find it at my website, www.lizzymcavoy.com, and be sure to check out Caroline's amazing and awesome single, Strawberry Lip Smacker, wherever you love to listen to your jams. And we will see you all next time. We're gonna just be here, you know, eating our strawberry shortcake. Don't mind us.
Bye.
Bye!